animals might eat the plastics and they might die, and so the government should restrict plastic production and encourage recycling through the appropriate policies. The Malaysia roadmap towards zero single-use plastics 2018 to 2030 need to be strictly followed. And that's all from my part. Thank you.
So thank you, Raed. So basically, you can see the properties that he explained. Mostly, you guys can have an idea when you guys enter Form 4 in chemistry classes. So if any question, you may ask him. Okay. So if no any question, I will pass it to the next presenter.
Okay, so hello students, my name is Loga Rodivelan. Okay, let's start. So as for now, you guys have learned what bioplastic and their advantages of using them. So now I would like to show you guys a video on how to make bioplastic at home itself. The ingredients that you need are very minimum and you can get them in the nearby grocery stores. Okay, so basically the ingredients are water, glycerin, agar, agar tu agar-agar lah, cornstarch, tepung jagung, and vinegar, sugar. Okay, alright. So the video. All right. So I hope you guys watched the video and enjoyed it. So let me explain a bit about the video. Oh, you mean you didn't see the video clearly, is it? Do you want me to put again? Okay, let me play again.
Or Loga, you want me to present for you? I think you have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
connection problem.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
You can continue, Loga.
Okay, so I'm really sorry about the background music. Actually, it didn't work out well, except I guess. So, but I think you guys saw the video, right? So, and I hope you guys like the video. So let me explain a bit first about the video. In this video, you can see that we have made two tests, which is the solubility test and the biodegradability test. In the solubility test, we can witness that the bioplastic able to dissolve in water compared to the normal plastic. Apart from that, from the biodegradability test, we can see that the bioplastic has decomposed after several days. In short, I would like you guys to try this experiment at home, and maybe you can share the results with your friends. Alright. So sekarang dah lah PKP kan, duduk rumah je kan. So bolehlah try eksperimen macam ni kat rumah. Untuk ni and gain new knowledge.
Okay, thank you, Loga. I can see some asking questions in the chat box. Maybe you can pick up and try to answer for them.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot about the questions. Any questions? Oh, there's a question. It is edible, but you'll be having stomach trouble later lah. Another question. If bioplastic can dissolve in the water, how can we carry wet things such as fish and etc.? It will take some time to dissolve in water actually. So you can use it for a while maybe to carry wet things. Any other question? Ada apa-apa lagi?
Cikgu. Sir. Sorry.
You can call me Loga, ya.
Boleh berapa
Oh, ya ke? Tapi saya dah buat video ni dengan caption dia sekali. So,
Oh, ya ke?
I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
It's okay.
So, any other question? Okay, so I think Danus, you can take over. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Loga. Okay, thank you to those who asked questions. Okay, now I'm passing to the next presenter. Please come forward.
Okay, hello guys. My name is Steven Vithalingam, and today I'm going to explain you guys about the science stream studies. Okay, we will start with the physics. For Form 4, the first one is the measurement. You need to get the measurement right in order to find the distance, time, accuracy, which is involved in this physics. Throughout physics, you will do a lot of measurements, calculations, and it all need the basics of measurements. And for the next topic is the force and motion. Force is can be described as the push and pull of an object. Force can actually influence something to influence the object to be in a motion. Motion means movement. Okay, the next topic, the gravity is closely related to the previous one, which is the force and the motion. And next is the heat topic. Heat topic actually include the thermal energy and temperature. Temperature, you guys know, right? The unit aside for the heat. Okay, next is the waves. Throughout this chapter, you guys will study about lot of phenomenal includes the waves, type of waves, frequencies, and for example, there is some of the I would like to tell the phenomenon that involve the waves, such as reflection, refraction, interference, and diffractions. Okay. The last chapter of physics in Form 4 is the light and optics. Light also involves a lot of phenomena such like reflection and refraction. And you guys will also study about the lens, which includes the convex and convex and concave lens. Okay, you guys know, right? The short side and the long side. You guys who are wearing spec will know that. So this is the place where you guys will study about it. Okay, moving on to the next one, the Form 5. Throughout the Form 5 studies, there will be also force and motion, but it will not actually focus on the acceleration forces that involve in the previous one, which you guys studies in Form 4. This one is mainly about the vector quantities and the elasticity. Elasticity is the springs. It's related to spring. Okay. The next is the pressure. Pressure is actually mainly consists of three principles. You guys will study about the three principles, which is Pascal, Archimedes, and Bernoulli. Each principle include a formula. And next is the electricity, magnetism, electronics. Okay. These three is actually very crucial if you want to study, if you are interested in electrical engineering. Uh, for your information, electrical engineering is the one of the difficult engineering in throughout the engineering course. So if you wanna pursue your studies in this course, you actually have to focus on these three chapters. Okay, it includes Faraday's law, Lenz's law, AC, DC motors. Actually, you guys know cars. Everything is changing into electric, which is more eco-friendly. So I think this electrical engineering course will have a huge scope in future. So I suggest you guys to pursue studies in electrical engineering. Okay, the next one is the nuclear physics. Um, Nuclear, as you guys know, it emits radiation, and it includes the nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Fusion means merging, and fission means splitting. Both release energy. Okay, we will move on to the next one, which is next subject, chemistry. So I will start from the Form 4. The first topic will be the structure of an atom. I, I I'm not sure whether you guys is familiar with this term or proton number, nuclear number. You guys will study in this topic. The next topic will involve a lot of calculations, which you guys will need to have to calculate the molar mass, number of molecules, and for the next one, and I think throughout Form 4, this is the only chapter which involve calculation in the chemistry subject. And the next chapter is the periodic table. Periodic table is actually a very simple subject because you just have to memorize the table, which will be arranged according to its atomic number and electron configurations. Next is the chemical bond. Bond actually means connection. Connection, each element is connected with two bonds, which is ionic bond and a covalent bond. Okay. Next is the acid, base, and salt topic, which you guys will study about the properties. And guys will conduct a very interesting experiment throughout this topic. Okay, for final one is the rate of reaction. Moving on to the Form 5 part, and it is all about the redox number, carbon compound, thermochemistry, polymer, and chemical for consumers. Throughout this Form 5 of the chemistry subject, you will have to need to memorize a lot of things. If you are into memorizing and calculation, I think you can actually choose a course related to chemical because it involves both things. Okay, for biology, this is the for the students who are interested in medical line, so you need to focus on the biology. Okay, I would like to explain about the first topic. First topic is usually about the introduction and the laboratory rules. It's nothing important. But moving on to the next one is the cell structure. Cell structure comprises individual component with specific functions essential to carry out life process. This is where you guys will study about the membrane, plasma, nucleus, and RNA, DNA, and a lot of things. The next subject is movement of substance across the membrane plasma. For your information, membrane plasma is the outer layer of the cell, and there is two types of transport you guys will study, which is active and passive transport, and chemical composition in a cell. The next topic is chemical composition in a cell. I think this one is the one you guys is very familiar with. You guys will study about carbohydrate, protein, lipid. Lipid means fat. There is a lot of stages in carbohydrate, polysaccharide, monosaccharide, and proteins also same. There will be a lot of branches will be going where it will be digest in your stomach. And the next topic is about the mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is actually about the cell duplication, and meiosis is about the cell division. I don't want to be so explain it so deeply because it will go very technical. So the next one is the nutrition. Nutrition, you guys will study about the balanced diet, food digestion. Okay, for the next, okay, for Form 5, there is only 5 chapters that you need to cover for biology, but this is a very crucial subjects, crucial topics, which is very, you need to, which is will be very detailed. First is the transport. Transport topic will involve circulatory system, blood clotting, and lymphatic systems. And the next one is the support and locomotion. Support is mainly about the skeletal system in human beings and also animals. You guys will study about the bones, like that. For the coordination and response in humans, it is mainly about the nerve system and response of the hormones throughout your body. Okay, the next one, the fourth topic is the reproduction, development, and growth in humans. Okay, this is basically, I think you guys will study in Form 3 also, the formation and development of baby. Okay, the last chapter is about the inheritance, genes, and chromosomes, which you will be inherited from your parents. Okay, I think that's all from me. I wish you good luck to pursue your studies in science stream. And for the art stream student, I wish you the same. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
So,
I will.
sorry to interrupt. The video just now, right? So I don't know tak pasti siapa tanya tadi. Tapi video tu nanti saya send kat Cikgu Azlina ya. Nanti boleh refer kat Cikgu Azlina. Bolehlah tengok video tu dan try kat home. Okay? So, do you have any questions about the topic? Apa-apa soalan boleh tanya. Alright, so okay, Danus.
Okay, thank you, Loga. So you can move on to the next slide, please.
There is a question actually. They're asking about what is nuclear physics. Jiwan?
Okay. Okay. Nuclear physics is about, as you guys know about the nuclear energy, right? Nuclear energy is when the you guys will learn about the what you call it. It will create what radiation, yeah, alpha, gamma, and beta diffusion. Someone asking me diffusion. Okay.
No, no, they are telling that about fusion and fusion stuff.
Yeah, okay, fusion and two. Actually, one is fission and one is fusion. Fusion is when the two nuclear atom is emerged. There will be energy created, and the energy will be imaged, throughout three type: alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay, that's the nuclear physics is all about. You guys will study about the atoms and the energy that can be spread out for the certain isotopes of the nuclear. Did I answer your question? Okay. How about Chernobyl? What kind of radiation stage is that? Sorry, actually, I don't know what is Chernobyl means. Okay, I think there is no question. Can move on to the next MC.
Okay, thank you, Steven. Look, I think you can move on to the next slide, please. So now I'm going to explain about the education pathway. Do you guys wonder what is your next plan after you step out from your secondary school? So I'm here to share my knowledge, or you can have some clear view what you can do after SPM. So do you guys may want to explain in English or Bahasa Malaysia?
English.
So okay, in English. Nice. So after SPM, you have 4 stages here. So those who are interested in perguruan, you can go for program persediaan ijazah sarjana muda perguruan 1 year, then 4 years, then you can go to your job. And I know most of you have a high ambition. So do you guys know how to achieve it? So maybe I can help you here. You can have some peer view. So once you step out SPM, you can enter foundation program. So for example, foundation, we have matriculation under government and also some private university also offering it. So you can do that, make sure you have a good result. And if you didn't get foundation, you can go to STPM and also diploma. So in diploma, you have to study about 3 years. Then you can enter to degree. So one of the things I want to remind you guys is that try to apply for scholarships. So if you get scholarships, your work is guaranteed. They will pay you. So if that's not your option, you still can go for loans such as PTPTN and also JPA. So from that, you can easily for you to get a job. So do you have any question, guys? So okay, majority of you says no question. So let's move on. Next slide, please, Loga. So we are at the point where all of you waiting for. Now we're going to play a short game. This session will be conducted by our friend Najmi. So he will explain about the quiz and the procedures to play.
Okay, thank you, Danush. So now we proceed to the quiz session. So please bear in mind that the quiz question based on the presentation earlier, which is bioplastic or the biodegradable plastic. So nak cakap Melayu ke English
English.
English Okay, okay. Okay, next slide please. Okay, here. Listen carefully to the instructions. There are 6 instructions. Okay, the first one, the quiz will be given into the Kahoot platform. So I will share the link. I will share the link in the Google Meet. So the second, set your player ID as your nickname and your real phone number. So for example, here Abu, lepas tu your real phone number. Or if your name Azman, you can just put Man and your phone number. So this is very important guys, because your real phone number, we need to contact you to give the prize after the quiz. So don't answer the Kahoot 2 times, as we can detect you by doing so. So the quiz will be given as 10 minutes. So make sure you have a good internet connection. Top 4 winner will be announced, and the valuable prize will be given to the winners. So shall we start now?
Guys, don't forget about the nickname there. You can write almost 4 alphabets together. If separated, you can only write 3 alphabets with your phone number. Please bear in mind.
Okay, I will share now. Okay, please tell me if you guys cannot enter, Okay, guys. After you have finished your quiz, can you screenshot for me the result of the quiz? To see the proof. Nak tengok bukti lah. So here is the winner. And the number 4 I will inform after this. So congratulations to these 3 winners. So siapa yang tak menang tu jangan kecil hati sebab lepas ni dapat sijil daripada UPM.
So thank you, Nazmi. Lovina, I think you can provide your name and number in the chat box here. So it's easy for us to contact you.